warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Putri Zuliarti Ikhtiara. Here I want to present to you about the instruction media MOLAD. MOLAD stands for Integer Operations MISTAR or MISTAR Operasi Bilangan Bulat. This media aims to help students understand about the concept of integer operations, to present mathematical concept in real form, and to help students understand about the location on the number line. The things that we use in this media is MISTAR and the pointing object. In this media, we have three kinds of integers. That is 0 on the origin and the positive integer on the right side of 0 and the negative integers on the left side of 0. We have the rules of this MOLAD media for addition and subtraction. First, the starting position is at the 0. The direction of object facing right from starting point. The second, for the addition, the direction of object will still face right. And for subtraction, the direction of object will reverse or facing left. The third, for the positive integer, the object will move forward. For the negative integers, the object will reserve. And for the zero integer, the object will stay. And the fourth, the last position is the answer of the operation. Now I will explain the example for addition. Example 1, 3 plus 2. The direction of object facing right starting from the 0 point. To denote an integer of 3, then the object move forward by 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Because 3 will be added by 2, then the objects move forward by 2 steps. 1, 2. So, the last position of object is in the positive 5. Then, the result of 3 plus 2 is equal to positive 5. Example 2. Negative 1 plus 2. The direction of object facing right starting from the 0 point. To denote an integer negative 1, so the object will reverse by 1 step. 1. Because negative 1 will be added by 2, then the object move upwards by 2 steps. 1, 2. The last position of the object at the positive 1. So the result of negative 1 plus 2 is equal to positive 1. Example 3. 2 plus negative 4. The direction of the object facing right starting from the 0 point. To denote an integer 2, the object will move forward by 2 steps. 1, 2. Because 2 will be added by negative 4, then the objects will reverse by 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last position is at the negative 2. So the result of 2 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 2. Example 4. Negative 2 plus negative 6. The direction of object facing right starting from the 0 point. To denote an integer negative 2, the objects will reverse by 2 steps. 1, 2. Because negative 2 will be added by negative 6, the object will reverse again by 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the last position of the object at the negative 8. So the result of negative 2 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 8. Now I will explain the example for subtraction. Example 1. 4 minus 2. The direction of object facing right starting from the 0 point. To denote an positive 4 integer, the object will move forward by 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 subtracted by 2, then the object will reverse direction and move forward by 2 steps. 1, 2. The last position of the object is at the positive 2. So the result of 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Example 2. 1 minus negative 5. The direction of the object facing right starting from the 0 point. To denote an integer of positive 1, the object will move forward by 1 steps. 1. Because 1 will be subtracted by negative 5, then the object will reverse direction. And the object will reverse by 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the last position of the object is at positive 6. So the result of 1 minus negative 5 is equal to positive 6. Example 3. Negative 4 minus 3. The direction of object facing right starting from the 0 point. To denote a negative 4 integer, the objects will reverse by 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because negative 4 will be subtracted by 3, then the object will reverse direction. And the objects will move forward by 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So the last position of the objects is at negative 7. So the result of negative 4 minus 3 is equal to negative 7. 4. Negative 7 minus negative 1. The direction of object facing right starting from the 0 point. To denote a negative 7 integer, the object will reverse by 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because negative 7 will be subtracted by negative 1, so the object will reverse direction and reverse by 1 steps. 1. So the last position of the object is at negative 6. So the result of negative 7 minus negative 1 is equal to negative 6. Now we have the rules of this Molat media for the multiplication. Multiplication consists of the multiplicator and the multiplicand. For example, A multiplied by B, then A is multiplicator and B is multiplicand. The second is the starting position is at the 0. The third, the object will jump as many as multiplicator, where one multiplicator number consists of steps of the number being multiplicand. The fourth, the initial direction of facing is determined by the multiplicand. If multiplicand is a positive integer, then the object faces to the right. If the multiplicand is a negative integer, then the object faces to the left. If multiplicand is 0, then the position is at the origin. Fifth, the direction of the step is determined by the multiplicator. If the multiplicator is a positive integer, then the object will move forward. If the multiplicator is a negative integer, then the object
will step back. If the multiplicator is 0, the position is at the origin. And the last, the product of multiplication is the number at the last position.
Now I will explain about example for multiplication. Example 1. 3 times. Because the multiplicand is positive integer, so the object stands right at the 0 point and face to the right. Because the multiplicator is 3 and the multiplicand is 2, so the object will step forward as much as 3 jumps, wherever one jump consists of 3 steps. 1, 2, 1 jumps, 1, 2, 2 jumps, 1, 2, 3 jumps. So the last position of the object is in the positive 6. So the product of 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Example 2. 4 times negative 1. Because the multiplicand is negative integer, so the object will stand right at the 0 position and face to the left. Because the multiplicator is 4 and the multiplicand is negative 1, so the object will step forward as much as 4 jumps, wherever 1 jumps consists of 1 steps. 1 jumps, 1, 2 jumps, 1, 3 jumps, 1, 4 jumps. So that the last position of object at the negative 4. So the product of 4 times negative 1 is equal to negative 4. Example 3. Negative 4 times 1. Because the multiplicand is positive integer, so the object will stand right at the 0 position and face to the right. The multiplicator is negative 4 and the multiplicand is 1. So the object will step back as much as 4 jumps, wherever 1 jump consists of 1 step. 1 jumps, 1, 2 jumps, 1, 3 jumps, 1, 4 jumps. So the last position of object is in the negative 4. So the product of negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4. Example 4. Negative 3 times negative 2. Because the multiplicand is negative integer, so the object will stand right at the 0 point and face to the left. The multiplicator is negative 3 and the multiplicand is the negative 2. So that the object will step back as much as 3 jumps, wherever 1 jump consists of 2 steps. 1, 2. 1 jumps, 1, 2. 2 jumps, 1, 2, 3 jumps. So the last position of the object is at the positive 6. So the product of negative 3 times negative 2 is equal to 6. Now we have the rules of this Molat media for the division. First, divisions consist of the dividend and the divisor. For example, A divided by B. Then A is dividend and B is divisor. The second, the starting position of the object is at the number of the dividend. The third, the initial direction of facing is determined by divisor. If the divisor is positive integer, then the object will face to the left. If the divisor is negative integer, then the object will face to the right. The third is The direction of stepping always leads to 0. And the last for quotient. The quotient is positive integer if the object jumps forward and the result is the number of the jumps. The quotient is negative integer if the object jumps back and the result is the number of the jumps. Now I will explain the example for division. Example 1. 6 divided by 3. Because the dividend is 6, so our initial position at the number 6. Because the divisor is positive integer, so the object will face to the left. To lead to 0, it takes 2 forward jumps, where 1 jump consists of 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, 1 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 2 jumps. Since it consists 2 forward jumps, so our quotient of 6 divided by 3 is equal to positive 2. Example 2. Negative 4 divided by 2. Because the dividend is negative 4, so our initial position at the negative 4. Because the divisor is positive integer, so the object will face to the left. To lead to 0, it takes 2 backward jumps, where each jump consists of 2 steps. 1, 2, 1 jumps, 1, 2, 2 jumps. Since it consists of 2 backward jumps, so the quotient of negative 4 divided by 2 is equal to negative 2. Example 3. 4 divided by negative 2. Because the dividend is 4, so our initial position at the number of 4. Because the divisor is negative integer, so the object faces to the right. To lead to 0, it takes 2 backward jumps, wherever each jump consists of 2 steps. 1, 2, 1 jumps, 1, 2, 2 jumps. Since it consists of 2 backward jumps, so 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 2. Example 4. Negative 6 divided by negative 3. Because the dividend is negative 6, so our initial position at the negative 6. Because the divisor is in negative integer, so the object will face to the right. To lead to 0, it takes 2 forward jumps, where each jump consists of 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, 1 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 2 jumps. Since it consisting of 2 forward jumps, so the quotient of negative 6 divided by negative 3 is equal to positive 2. Okay, that's all of my presenting video. I hope that you will enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.